Welcome back, traders. Yesterday, we kicked off our 15-day challenge with just $100 on the account. First trade, according to my rules, $10. It worked out, and the balance is now $108.20. Step by step, the account is growing. And here we go, $11 trade from the support level. That's 10% of the balance. I always stick to money management, never risk more than 10% on a single trade. Support and resistance are the most basic tools, but at the same time, the most reliable. If you can read these levels, you're already one step ahead of 90% of beginners. You may have noticed this yellow sticky note. This is my main Olymp Trade account, and I didn't want to withdraw everything just to leave exactly $100 for this challenge. So I simply cover the real balance and write here the challenge balance. Every day you'll see the exact figure, clear, transparent, step by step. Yesterday $108.20, today we're trading from that amount. That way you see the real growth of the challenge, not some screenshots or demo numbers. When people ask me, what's the hardest part in trading? They usually expect me to say something like indicators or choosing a strategy. But in reality, the hardest part is to stay disciplined. Anyone can open a lucky trade, but try to repeat that 10, 20, 30 times. And you'll see who has rules and who just gambles. That's exactly why I'm running this challenge, to show the real process, with all the small steps, wins, and losses included. Here we are. The $11 trade just closed in profit, and the balance of our challenge is now $118.21. That's already plus 18% growth in just 2 days. Since this video is called Olymp Trade Basics, let me quickly walk you through the platform itself. Here's the main chart. You can switch time frames, zoom in and out, or change the type of chart from candles to lines. On the right, you have the trade panel. This is where you set the trade size, in our case $11, and choose up or down depending on your analysis. On the left, you see the history of your trades. That's where you can always double-check your entries, results, and track progress. And also here on the left, you can find indicators, moving averages, RSI, MACD, everything you need to build a strategy. Even if you're a beginner, the interface is clean and intuitive. That's one of the reasons I like Olymp Trade. No distractions, just the essentials you need for trading. So that's day 2. One more profitable trade. Balance now $118.21. Tomorrow I'll show you the 3 mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. See you tomorrow.